Hey guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a packing video for you guys today. I'm really excited. I'm headed to Cabo on Monday. It's kind of a little need a vacation, need some sun, as well as a birthday trip for me. So I'm really excited. But first things first, we got to talk packing. Packing is definitely something that can be challenging, and as a fashion blogger, I always want to bring everything with me and all of the options. So I'm going to be sharing with you today kind of how I fit all of this into this. I'm all about doing carry-on. I really try to not check my bag. I will check my bag for key events. I mean, New York Fashion Week, hello, I check like 3 bags. But in general, I prefer when I'm doing tropical vacations or just kind of going to Europe or Southeast Asia, I really like to just do carry-on. That way it's simple, it's you can grab it and go. If your bag gets lost, you don't have to worry about it. Everything is with you. And especially when you're going on tropical vacations, most of the time it's just a lot of bikinis and shorts and dresses. So let's get into this packing tips and tricks, shall we? The first thing I do when I know I'm definitely going on a trip is I head to Walgreens or Safeway and I pick up all of their, small vacation travel approved sizes. I'm all about getting just making it really simple and easy, getting the little deodorants and toothpaste. Definitely will be bringing dry shampoo. My favorite dry shampoo is Living Proof. I love them. They do really amazing things for my hair. They smell amazing, which is definitely key for me. I think I talked about this a bit on Instagram, but I have a hard time finding a good dry shampoo. I think sometimes with being blonde, you get like weird residue left over, and other ones just smell like weird and chemically, whereas this one is just, it smells amazing. Like I just spray it just to have something like good to smell. Yeah, like I mean, this is like my Febreze and dry shampoo all rolled into one. Yeah, you guys definitely have to try this. This is amazing. So definitely always bring dry shampoo with you on vacation. I'm usually trying to kind of be relaxed. I definitely try to fit in some outfit shoots, but this is definitely my downtime. So, I mean, do I need to shower? Who knows? So that's why dry shampoo is really necessary. The thing that I get are these plastic empty container bottles. You can find them at Walgreens or Safeway. I love these because with all the TSA rules and airport rules nowadays, I don't want to lose out on any of the products that I'm bringing, and I need all of my toners and face lotion and face wash. So what I do is I just put what I need for the week or 2 weeks or however long I'm gone into these bottles, and then that way I don't have to risk TSA seizing any of my oil serums or night serums. And currently I'm really obsessed with Drunk Elephant. It's doing amazing things for my skin, so I want to make sure I keep up that regime. So I'll be putting my toner in something like this, and then probably Drunk Elephant in one of these. That way I'm still getting all my products down there, but I don't have to risk, like, this is so bulky compared to this, so that works out. I also bring just like, basic facial wipes just to have kind of to clean myself up. I like having these on the plane. The other key thing that I always bring with me, no matter what, whether I'm going international or I'm just going a state or 2 over, is I always bring a travel pillow and a face mask. You never know when you can have some downtime, but I think face masks are key. I love these, especially if you don't know, what type of hotel room situation you're getting into, or if you just want to catch a bit of shut-eye. I love having this to kind of take a quick nap. It's so simple and easy. I found this at SFO Airport one time when I was traveling, and I just love it. One, I love the color, but in general, I think it's really nice. It has like a really nice padding, and it's thick. Like it's really thick. Sometimes you get those like weird flimsy ones, and they just don't really cut it. This is something that like I can put on, and it's lights out. The other thing that I really recommend bringing, and I pulled it out, but I don't think I brought it over, is earplugs. No matter what, earplugs. I always travel with earplugs in my bag, so whether I'm on a plane or I get to a hotel room and you can hear your noisy neighbor upstairs or someone's playing loud TV and you just want to crash, earplugs, face mask, and I'm out. So definitely I always travel with that. And then I kind of just lay out basically what I'm going to be bringing. And obviously it's going to be a lot of swimsuits. But the other key things that I bring is obviously like jewelry, sunglasses, hats. I like to kind of figure out what kind of hat I'm working with, especially if going somewhere tropical. I mean, I could do the little Panama hat, or I could go with like the drama, protecting the face, having like a Gone with the Wind, Kentucky Derby. So I like to really lay everything out and then kind of see what I have to work with. I do have some dresses and other things that I do need to shoot for some brands, so I'm factoring all of that in. So I'm going to lay this out and then we're going to get to packing. Are you ready? Are you ready to get this started? We're going to do it. It's happening. I'm using my Samsonite approved carry-on luggage. So the first thing I'm going to be adding in are my jean shorts. I am bringing 4 pairs, and the reason for that is they are all different colors. They all bring something different. So this one's pink. These are just standard denim shorts from J. Crew. Forever 21 white shorts. And then I love these because they have an embroidery on them. So we will add those as kind of our main bottom layer. And then of course we have all of the swimsuits because I'm going to be going to Cabo. I'm probably bringing about 10 to 12 different swimsuits. I'm going to shoot some. Some are just kind of more hang out and relax. Others are I need to get a tan swimsuit, barely there swimsuits. So I like to kind of mix it up and bring a variety so I don't get any crazy tan lines, but I'm also in vacation mode and I want to be comfortable. And a lot of these suits are really easy to mix and match. So the swimsuits are packed. The other things that I really like to bring, especially when I'm going on tropical vacations, is sunglasses. So I'm bringing about 4 different pairs of sunglasses. And I think that, you know, I like to kind of have my cat eye, but also I really like the trend of kind of the more smaller 90s fun sunglasses, so I'm kind of mixing it up there. Especially because we're going to be on the water, I'm going to bring my waterproof iPhone case so I can take a ton of fun photos. And then we are going to be in the tropics and I have a bunch of lovely dresses, so gotta bring for the nips. I love these pasties because they're reusable and, you know, they always make sure that there's no slippage going on when you go out for the night. I also like to bring some safety pins with me because sometimes I just have issues with like clothing or style or fit, and I just want to make sure that I can pin something if I have an issue. I already kind of briefly touched on this, but obviously dry shampoo. And then I like to bring my jewelry. I usually line my jewelry with my outfits and I try to kind of repurpose my earrings or my rings or my necklaces. I'm using just kind of a bauble bar cloth jewelry case. So I'll just put in my rings and earrings in here. That way they're kind of safe and they don't get tangled with my other clothing, and then I just snap it shut. And then it is ready for me for when I want to pair it with my outfits. The other thing that's really essential for me is bringing small purses. I obviously will have my luggage and my carry-on, but I want just a small classic purse that I can wear at night or during the day. And that's really a neutral and kind of goes with everything. And this purse is perfect. I usually bring about 1 to 2 different small size purses. Next up, we obviously have shoes. I really try to be a minimalist with my shoes, so I love these classic white sandals. You can kind of dress them up or dress them down. As you can tell, I've worn them a lot. And then currently I'm trying to decide between white heels and tan heels. I really like to kind of bring one set of heels because I worry about them damaging any of the clothes in the carry-on, but also it just leaves more room because I still have to pack all my dresses and jumpsuits and pants. So I'm leaning towards the tan. I will let you guys know what I end up deciding. And then I have a couple of other pieces that I'll be bringing. These black lace shorts are classic. They also double as kind of a night shorts. And then I thought this little romper was so cute. It's a little It's a little wrinkled, but we can always fix that. I really like to bring my own sarong. I like this just because you have something to wrap around yourself when you're kind of walking in between the pool or from the beach, and it's just kind of colorful and pretty, and I can also use this as kind of like lying out on the beach if, you know, the towels are a bit too small. So I kind of like to bring my own. And then last but not least, we have the hats. This is definitely going to be a struggle, but I think I will go with my Panama hat. Now, I'm not going to pack this. I will carry this through the airport with me to help preserve the overall shape of it, but just something to note that I will also have to be handling Monday morning when I'm traversing through the airport. Now, for all these products, these will be in my smaller carry-on case that I'm carrying with me with the suitcase. And that way, if I wanted to do any regime during flight, I have all the products available. So tonight I'm going to be transferring kind of all of my products into the smaller containers and plastic containers that I purchased. And making sure I have my SPF and toothpaste and toothbrush. And now we're going to get to the real clothes, which are all of my beautiful dresses and jumpsuits. You can check all of these clothes out in my Cabo haul movie. I'll link it below. But that's where the real challenge begins. So